Hi everybody. I got a Caimito tree right here that I wanted to show you. Look at how big it's gotten. It's it's about 6 feet tall right now, and spreading out really nice. This is the purple one. Very healthy. I really don't do much to it. I've never even fertilized it or anything. And it's doing really well. Caimitos are like a really good fruit tree to grow down here in South Florida. They're very hardy. You don't have to do much to them. It's pretty maintenance free. They can give you a medium-sized tree can give you a lot of fruit, and they taste awesome. They really do. A lot of people haven't tried it. Try one. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. It's very refreshing fruit. It's juicy. It's got a really nice taste, and I'm not sure exactly how to describe the taste, but it's very good. I really enjoy it. Like I said, they're very easy to grow, and the flowers are beautiful. If you can see here, they have like a certain color on the top, and then a certain color on the bottom as well. It's like it has a nice effect. It almost it's a beautiful tree as an ornamental as well because of that. And this is like the one I have here, and then I have another one. Here's the other one that I have up here, and this one's a lot older. And this one, since I have the carport here, kind of let it grow. I let it grow, tall. It grew tall so that I can, root it, so it could get the sun and all that. But the other one over there, I'm just gonna let it leave short and spreading, which will be a lot easier to get the fruit from. I believe having a couple of them, is ideal for them. But you can have another one in the neighborhood as well, and that'll help to pollinate as well.